Do you want to know how to set up My Eyes Only in Snapchat? Then this video is for you. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel TechUp. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up My Eyes Only on Snapchat. First of all, go ahead and open the Snapchat app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you do that, go ahead and launch the app. Now, swipe up. Once you do that, you're gonna see categories like Home, Camera Roll, AI Snap, Stories, and My Eyes Only. Tap on My Eyes Only, then select Setup. Once you do that, go ahead and tap on Quick Setup. Then go ahead and select the code that you want to add. Type that code again. Now, tap on the small circle behind the words or the sentence written on the bottom of your screen, then tap on Continue. Once you do that, tap on Finish from the Continue, then you'll successfully set up My Eyes Only on Snapchat. And guys, that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.